So now we're going to be discussing about algorithms and flowcharts. So this is a small video upon algorithms. Algorithms in programming is essentially uh, as it's a process or set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations, especially by computer. Essentially, algorithms is what we use when we're going to make a program. And there are three types of algorithms. One is the sequence. Sequence is just in a linear manner, we are doing something. Suppose we accept some input, perform a particular computation, store the results, and display the results. So this is just a bare bone of, I mean, how a sequence might be. This is probably how it is. And a small program here about example program of a sequence type algorithm. Again, so algorithms are the basic building blocks of programs, and there are three types. First type is sequence, and sequence means something is happening in a purely linear manner. And an example program is, suppose I input a integer x to the program and it just prints it back. That's an example of a sequence type program. So it is taking an input x in this case through the scanf function. It's performing a computation, essentially no computation here, but sometimes we may have performing computation. Store results, well, it's variable x is being assigned the value which is being inputted, and it's displaying the results. So this is the it is amongst the simplest of sequence type algorithms. Next type of algorithm is selection. So in this, it's similar to a sequence type algorithm, just that now we are checking for a condition. And if the condition holds true, then we perform the computation. So, example, a very basic example would be eligibility to vote. So now, suppose similar to the prior case, we are accepting an input of X, and in this case, the input is our age. And if the age is greater than 18, we print that you are eligible to vote. So selection means you are checking for condition, and if condition is true, you perform the required thing. Third type of an algorithm is a repetition algorithm. So now this is again a step further than the selection algorithm. So now we check for a condition, and if the condition holds true, we keep return, or we keep performing the particular computation. So example of this would be a loop, and in this particular loop, we are going to print 1 to 5 numbers. So this is the basic example of the third type of an algorithm, which is a repetition algorithm. Now, algorithms can be represented using flowcharts, and here is the symbol and what it states. So, an ovular symbol means the start and end of a program is symbol, means it's symbolized by this. So, you either put start in this box or end in this box. Arrows should depict the flow, the logic flow. Input and output is symbolized by this rhombus or parallelogram, I think, not rhombus. And rectangular displays the process, and a rhombus shows decision making. Now, the this is the way of representing algorithms. That's about it about algorithms. See you next time.